Can't do hard exercises? Don't worry, I've made them easier for you. Let's go! First exercise. Do it for 1 minute. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Second exercise. Do it for 40 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Third exercise. Do it for 1 minute. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Fourth exercise. Do it for 40 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Fifth exercise. Do it for 20 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Sixth exercise. Do it for 30 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. If you want long real-time workout videos, visit me now. I reply to every comment there.